How to turn on or turn off reduce motion option on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the reduce motion option on Twitter. So first thing, go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile, then go down and click on settings and privacy, and here you will find many options. Go down, click on accessibility, display and languages. Choose the first option, it's accessibility, and here you will find the reduce motion option. You can turn it on or off as you want from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.